Yo, what is good? So I'm going over my trade I took today. Um, I did mark out some levels in the morning. I don't even remember, bro. I was half asleep, but I kind of calmed down, marked them again, and they worked out. So this is my trade. I took two trades, okay, one right after the other. The second one, I just wanted a little bit more because I had 194. I need $200 for a passing day. And look at this play. This entry was, oh man, was tits, bro. Okay, the first one was tits because it had a mean rally down till 931. Then they stepped up and boom, they started driving the price up and up and up. So I did see here with the order flow how the absorption was happening. It started here, then they weren't leaving this area. Then once the buyers started waking up here, that's when I got in. I saw around 11, 5, 8, 10 that they were getting brick. So
Hey yo, what the
that was at 10:35. So let's see. So just real quick, this was the move in the morning pre-market. It was just dumping, came up, dumping, dump, 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 dump. I caught a little bit something here, caught a little short here, which was pretty cool. I could have just let it rock, but that's not really part of the plan, right? It is below all this stuff, but the EMAs are lining up cool, yada yada yada. But let me show you how it worked out here. 5:30, 10:35. 10:35, 10:36 around there because um, the levels aren't lining up. The EMAs aren't there, but this was a clean play. Look, I got in around here to this, bro. That's like 15R, no cap. Two risk, 3 points, 3 points of risk for all that goodness. I'm seeing the entries, which is dope. Okay, I saw that we were rallying down, nothing was happening. They were holding this level, came up, came down, holding, and that's when I got break. Yeah. So let me show you real quick. My entry was 30. Let me see. My entry on here, just so you can see it with me, was 735.55. 735.55. So it was this candle. Um, and what did sketch me out was all this action. This just boot. And it was below the EMA, so I thought maybe it's just gonna keep dumping. Tapped, came up, boom. I wasn't looking for too big of a play. Maybe it's for something under here, which was around 22, 21, whatever. So I did see this was was going hard, bro. Like
Hey yo, what the fuck?
it was going hard. So let me just do the replay real quick, just because I want to go over it. 1032. I'll do 1032, 1031. I'll do 1031. But once it came down to the 40s, it started to lose momentum over here at the 10s. So I figured, I'm like, if the buyers come here, then this is just more fucking fuel. So they probably didn't want to go that much, but let's see, because these are stacked imbalances, bear bullish stacked imbalances. This is a bearish stacked imbalances all the way back there. I don't know how far it goes, but it's pretty far. It could be this morning. Okay, so let's play it, and we'll speed it up a little bit.
Just
Look,
do
okay.
it!
So what I'm seeing is they are still here. They are still picking up. They are still there, right? So bears step in here. Bulls step in here, off top, off rip. It doesn't go lower than this. Okay, does not go lower than that. Clear indication, right? Bears, heavy bears, eating up quick, eating up. Okay, it's looking nice. Okay, bulls are trying to fight back, reclaim. Nope, got a stacked imbalance here. Okay, I'm gonna slow it down because it's getting close to the entry, which is 3555. Okay, I'm not gonna let you wait too long, but I'm seeing, okay, big order. Not yet. Let them eat up. Let them think that it's still gonna go down. A lot of bears here, but I saw this. They weren't really stepping up, right? They weren't getting rewarded too crazy like how it is here, the whole candle. So I entered at market 355, 55 at 812. I'm in already. Goes up, and I get out at 29. Okay. What I'm seeing is, okay, the bulls are trying to claim, and I see it go up. I see it go down. I'm out already, thinking it was gonna just keep going down, but it didn't. It did not go past the 60s, past this again. I don't even think it went past this again. Yeah, see, it's holding that level. Oh no, it did go down there. It did go back to the tens. That's fine. Tens till 37. Yeah, it doesn't go. It doesn't go below that. It doesn't go below this level. Yeah, finding an area like this to get in is so critical, bro. Because for it to come back down, oh man, like, and to see this pattern, wow, this is like solid, and then this, it just lightens up, and the bears just pick up, and it holds this area, general area. Your your job is to find an area where it's like this, these numbers, these, like super clutch. My second entry, it would have stopped me out. So I got in around here right at the end. It came up a little. Boom! I got out. I got out right when, because all I needed was $6, and I pressed it so quick that it was up, but it wasn't up, and it would have got me out, bro. It would have got me out, and I wouldn't have been negative. I still would have been positive, and I still would have got locked out. But nah, that was chasing. It was kind of chasing. No, not gonna cap, because thought it was gonna go up from here, but it still had to do a little wave and say bye and just keep going up. So I'm not really looking at this stuff, this indicator right here, but on the DOM, if you see the okay, if you see here, if you see, where was it at? Okay, run here. I got in around here. I saw that it was lightening up. There was no action here. There was no action. See how there's no like orders here, and a lot of people gravitated to this area, wanted to be in this general area. So I knew that, like, the mean reversion theory, it wanted to go back. So it did not want to keep going down, which was, look, this was almost at the end right here. The red line was the low. So came up here and bounced all the way back to here. And that's what we're kind of trading at now. We're at, let's see, where are we at? Yeah, see, we're at that's the 60s almost. So from the 10s to the 60s, that's a 50-point move, bro. Come on. You know what I mean? This order flow shit's no joke. So I still use these to help me out, and this is a really good help. But I think what threw me off was the actual market. Seeing how the market was moving threw me off. So seeing the time-based candles, they were flickering different, and they did throw me off. So I exited the play, which was fine. It's not anything to be fucking worried about too much. So I'm gonna learn from that tomorrow. The entry was tits, bro. I just have to kind of just find entries like that. All I need is 9 points. So from here, from say here 9 to here 9 points, right? 10 points. That's all I really need, bro. And those plays are everywhere, bro. Those plays are everywhere. I just have to find the right entries, good setups, good keys, and they're there. So yeah, I hope you're journaling, reviewing your plays, and doing your thing. All right, peace, bucko, peace.